Gary to Michigan City until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:25 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms, located along a line extending from 32 nautical miles southwest of the St. Joseph Light to 56 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northwestern Indiana.